A grand jury decided not to indict 6 Clayton County Sheriff's Office employees who struggled with an inmate. That inmate died less than an hour after this encounter, captured on security cameras in November.
Those 6 originally faced involuntary manslaughter charges. Fox 5's Joy Dukes talked to the family's attorney about what he considers a mental health care failure.
The Clayton County medical examiner ruled the in-custody death of 38-year-old Terry Lee Thurmond a homicide. His family's attorney tells me they are in disbelief at the grand jury's decision not to charge those 6 officers involved. Attorney Thomas Reynolds says added to the list of haunting memories loved ones of Terry Lee Thurmond must live with following his death.
It really shocked us that it was on film and that there was no indictment.
A grand jury's decision not to bring charges against the now former Clayton County Jail employees who struggled with Thurmond before his death.
Family is obviously shocked and hurt. And we're going to keep on doing what we need to fight on behalf of them and others that have been wronged by the system.
Video of the incident released by the sheriff's office shows Thurmond, who had a history of mental health issues, hanging over the second-floor balcony in what may have been an attempt to jump. Several inmates and jail staff members intervened, but minutes later, officers can be seen pressing their knees into his neck and shoulder. The medical examiner says Thurmond suffered cardiac arrest.
These are facilities that are supposed to hold citizens that have been accused but are not convicted of crimes yet. These are innocent people under the law that are being poorly mistreated.
Though these 6 sheriff's office employees were terminated after the incident, Reynolds says that isn't enough. He tells Fox 5 the family wants to see issues within the system related to mental health addressed.
The most vulnerable of our citizens, those that are dealing with disabilities, those that are dealing with mental health challenges, they are really being abused and mishandled within our system for jails.
Thurmond's family is also planning to file a civil lawsuit in the coming months. Now, we've reached out to the Clayton County Sheriff's Office and the DA's office for comment on the grand jury's decision. We're still waiting to hear back. In Clayton County, Joy Dukes, Fox 5 News.